good? In this video, I will be showing you how to set up a weekly subscription that ends in Stripe. The first thing you want to do once on your Stripe dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap right where you see More. After selecting More, you're going to see the option Subscriptions. You're going to tap on that. After selecting Subscriptions, you're going to tap on Create Subscription. From here, you're going to enter your customer name. So you're going to tap on the search bar below Customer, and you can either choose to add a new customer by tapping on Add New. You could add the customer's name, email address, and you could also add a description. Or you can use one of your customers that you have added already. After you have done that, you will see duration, and from here you can select the duration. So for example, you can see right there, so you can see the different cycles, so you can tap on a particular date. So let's say I would like to charge the customer every Saturday. You can see the different cycles right here. So for example, you can see the first cycle will be the 20th of May, and you can see it going down. So let's say for example, I will be charging them for 6 cycles. So it will be ending on October 20th. I will select that. So you can see that it runs from April 20th to October 20th. So it will be a total of 6 cycles. Now, after doing that, all you will need to do, or if you would like to set it custom, you could tap on custom right here and you could choose the date that you would like it to end. After doing that, you can tap on the search bar right below product and you could add a new product, or you can add one of the products that you have created already. Then from there, you can see the price and you can change the quantity if you want. You can also choose to include a free trial period if you want, or you can leave it as is. You can scroll down and you can see that you can also add a phase, so you can schedule automatic subscription phases for this subscription if you want. And by scrolling down, you can see other options: automatically charge a payment method and file, or you can choose to email invoice to customers to pay manually. You can select either one of these options. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Schedule Test Subscription, and then that will be it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.